Do you toss and turn at night, longing for restful sleep? The frustration of sleepless nights can take a toll on your overall well-being. Many of us struggle with sleep, inflammation, or digestive issues. These common problems can disrupt our daily lives and leave us feeling drained and unwell. What if a simple drink could help? Imagine a natural remedy that addresses multiple health concerns with just one ingredient. Turmeric water, consumed before bed, might be the natural solution you've been searching for. This ancient remedy is easy to prepare and incorporate into your nightly routine. This golden elixir, revered for centuries, holds the potential to transform your health. Turmeric has been used in traditional medicine for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to conquer the day. The benefits of turmeric water can extend beyond just a good night's sleep. Incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine might just be the key to unlocking a healthier and happier you. It's a simple yet effective way to support your body's natural healing processes. Let's delve into the world of turmeric and uncover the science behind its remarkable benefits. From reducing inflammation to aiding digestion, turmeric water offers a holistic approach to better health. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice derived from the root of the curcuma longa plant, has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine for over 4,000 years. Originating in Southeast Asia, turmeric quickly spread throughout the world, prized for its culinary and medicinal properties. Ancient healers recognized turmeric's ability to reduce inflammation and aid digestion. Today, modern science confirms these benefits, attributing them to curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. This potent anti-inflammatory acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting our bodies from damage. In today's fast-paced world, many of us face sleep disturbances, persistent inflammation, and digestive discomfort. These issues can significantly impact our quality of life, leaving us feeling drained and unwell. Chronic inflammation, often silent and undetected, is linked to various chronic diseases. Poor sleep can disrupt our hormones, mood, and cognitive function. Digestive problems can lead to discomfort, nutrient deficiencies, and a weakened immune system. Addressing these issues is vital for overall well-being. Section 4. Turmeric water, a soothing elixir for the night. Turmeric water, a simple yet potent beverage, offers a natural approach to combat these common ailments. This golden drink has been cherished for centuries in traditional medicine for its numerous health benefits. Consuming it before bed allows its beneficial compounds to work their magic while you sleep. The warmth of the drink can also help to relax your body and mind, preparing you for a peaceful night. Curcumin, the star of turmeric, goes to work reducing inflammation throughout your body. This powerful antioxidant helps to neutralize free radicals, which can cause cellular damage. This can lead to reduced pain and stiffness, allowing for more restful sleep. By easing joint discomfort, turmeric water can make it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep through the night. Additionally, turmeric's soothing properties can calm the digestive system, easing discomfort and promoting better sleep quality. This gentle elixir can be a wonderful addition to your nightly routine, helping you wake up refreshed and rejuvenated. Section 5. Unveiling the science behind the golden drink. Numerous studies highlight the benefits of turmeric and its impact on sleep, inflammation, and digestion. Research suggests that curcumin can influence sleep hormones, potentially improving sleep quality and reducing insomnia symptoms. Studies also demonstrate curcumin's effectiveness in reducing inflammatory markers in the body. This anti-inflammatory action can alleviate pain, stiffness, and swelling associated with conditions like arthritis. Furthermore, turmeric can stimulate the production of bile, aiding digestion and reducing bloating and discomfort. Section 6. Embrace the golden hour of wellness. This special time of day when the sun sets and the world slows down is perfect for nurturing your body and mind. Incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine is simple and highly beneficial. This ancient remedy has been cherished for centuries for its powerful health benefits. Combine warm water with a teaspoon of turmeric powder. This golden spice is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Add a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption. The piperine in black pepper increases the bioavailability of curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric. Enjoy this soothing elixir before bed and allow its natural healing properties to work wonders while you sleep. It can help reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and boost your immune system. Experience the transformative power of turmeric and wake up feeling refreshed, revitalized, and ready to embrace the day. A good night's sleep with the aid of turmeric water can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. Give turmeric water a try and embark on a journey towards a healthier and happier you. This simple addition to your nightly routine can lead to profound changes in your health. Your body will thank you for this small yet impactful change. Embrace the golden hour and let turmeric water be your nightly companion for a better tomorrow.